Hello, future CAs. Last night I finished my classes, had dinner, switched to casuals, and I was just about to sleep. And I got this message from one of our students. When I took my phone, I got similar messages on Telegram, and I also went on LinkedIn and saw posts about this from many qualified professionals. So I wanted to update all our students on what is happening right now in the parliament with respect to our CA Institute, CS Institute, and Cost Accounting Institute, guys. Let me read the message I got from the student. This is big with a news clipping from Z News in Hindi. ICAA, ICSI, ICMA exam conducting authority will be taken over by new authority #IIA. So basically, BOS of all three will merge into one, and that will bifurcate the syllabus of each course. Sir, is this true? I am here to give you clarity on this, whether all our professional institutes are going to be replaced by IIA. Let me give you a background with respect to this, and honestly, it's not much to panic, but let me give you clarity over here. Firstly, what is this IIA? The full form is nothing but Indian Institute of Accountants. To give you example, like how you have IIM, Indian Institute of Management for MBAs, IIT for our engineering, then this National Medical Council which conducts your NEET exams across India, and civils for UPSC. So all the professional exams in India is conducted and regulated by the government. But when it comes to CA exams, CS or CMA, we have separate companies, statutory companies formed under Act of Parliament, and we've been successfully doing this with quality professionals for the last 60, 70 years, right from 1949. However, what happened in the year 2022, not now, 3 to 4 years back itself, there was a discussion in the parliament as to why not introduce something called Indian Institute of Accountants to replace or regulate the exam system and managing the professionals of these three professional bodies. The discussion came, of course, none of the institutes are going to be happy. The discussion went and died in 2022. Again, this discussion is now brought in 2026 in the parliament. It's only a discussion for which now what they have done, they have established a committee, guys, committee, and this committee is doing a report on this, and this report will be presented to the parliament and then to the institutes so that we can bring all the professional institutes under IIA. What happens if this happens, guys? What will happen? The goal of this is to regulate our CA Institute, CS and Cost Accounting Institute merged under IIA. That means both these professional institutes will coexist. The professional bodies also will coexist. IIA also will coexist. Then what will happen? The responsibility will be shared or delegated. Like how when we had our NFRA which came in, NFRA took away some powers from our CA Institute, CS and CMA Institute. Same way, if this IIA comes, mainly it will take away what powers, or it will help in regulating what powers, how the exams will be held, what powers ICAI has after this with respect to exams, who will set the question paper, and who will determine the syllabus. All these are now being considered by this committee. There is no outcome, but there are only rumors and discussions around this. When I say rumors, I will not be giving you random rumors, guys. This has come in Z News. It's all over LinkedIn. Work has already started with respect to this. Committee is doing some research behind this. Whether we can implement this, how institute will react. Here, I cannot give you answer for these three because nobody has the answer, but the work has started. I can tell you answer for two things. Is ICA going to be okay with this? You tell me, guys. Do you think ICA will be okay with this? Of course not. That's why in 2022, when this happened, ICA strongly opposed this and it was dropped. Again, now, maybe not in public front, but back end, all the three professional institutes will not be okay with this. But time will only tell us what will happen. Sir, lastly, what is your opinion? My opinion and opinion of all the faculties in our profession will also be is to best leave the professional institutes as it is and let IIA not come in. But if it comes in, at least how the power management happens, end of the day we can only share our opinion, but its rest is left with the government, guys. So nothing to panic for students to send these kind of messages. Because I'm getting these kind of messages and it's all over LinkedIn, I wanted to make a video on this. Whatever comes or goes, CA exams will be there, its qualification will still be worth it, and you will have a future, guys. And none of this is going to change in the next 1 or 2 years, guys. If it comes, it's going to be a very very slow transition. I am making this video because students are kind of panicking, sending these messages to me as to what will happen, sir. Is this true? Whether it's true or not, keep focusing and study on your exams, guys. CA, CS, CMA will always have a career. That's about it. Tata, bye bye.